and some other guild. So Red Panda is on our lane. R1, R2, C1, C2. You guys are the only ones that should push towards junction. Again, R1, R2, C1, C2 lang. Okay? The rest, platform play tayo. Base team on our junction. Okay. Okay. Again, R1, retakes 1, retakes 2, core 1, core 2 will push. You guys can move sa middle. R1, R2, C1, C2. Pwede kayong dumaan sa middle. You guys can move from the middle. Then hit their backlines. Okay? Yeah, to the enemy guilds. But Red Panda just had a good merge. So don't underestimate Red Panda. Okay? The rest should focus on defending the platform. Base team on our junction. Again, junction natin, base team. Try to block the enemy guild just in case. 20 seconds. Again, cafe up. Oh, shit. Mali agad yung ginamit kong cafe today. Cafe up, cafe up, cafe up. Forgot I'm safe. 2, 1, speed up. Move forward tayo. Again, speed up. Move forward, please. Nandito na sila. Clear the platform, please. Mag-clear kayo ng platform. Clear platform, clear platform. "15 seconds before next MVP is about to spawn. 10 seconds. Core team, akit kayo sa likod nila. As well as retake, 1 and 2. Vision up, 3 seconds. Focus on the MVP. Again, 3 seconds. MVP nakuha ng Red Panda. Nice one, Night Raids. Okay, pa-collapse na. Retakes 1, 2, C1, C2. Collapse on their backline. Garrison, try to hold their the other end if you can summon. Push na, push towards left. Push towards left. Slowly, slowly. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast, guys. Try to expel along the way. Try to expel along the way. I want Garrison and MVP to try to sweep. Retake, mag-block na kayo. Core team, go down. Retakes 1 and 2, you guys have... you guys can push. Sorry, Garrison, MVP yung sa gitna. Adjust. Retakes 3 and 4, middle. Retakes 3, 4, 5, 6, middle tayo. Retakes 1, 2, core 1, core 2. You guys are the only ones that should push towards Red Panda. Get ready for break. Mag-break tayo ha. Core 1, core 2. Retakes 1 and 2. Focus on break. The rest, clear MVP platform. Again, the rest, clear MVP platform. Paki-clear. 40 seconds yung next na MVP spawn. Okay? Nasa junction na natin sila. Yung isang stack ni Nasima. 30 seconds. Retakes. 1, 2, core 1, core 2. If you guys can go up to their M, please do so. Akit na kayo. Go up. Kaya ba? Can you get a Y on chat? Go for break tayo. 10 seconds. You guys can go up. Clearing platform. The rest, retake, Garrison, MVP, retakes 3 to 6. Clear platform. Focus. Vision up. Next MVP. Focus on the next MVP, guys. Sa taas. Nice one, Black. Good job. Ba't ka na sa taas? Ba't wala ka sa M? Black, ha? Warning. Good job, pero Oy, paki-break! Matatapos na yung, pa-break! Oy, pa-break! Matatapos na yung Red Panda. Okay, good job. Okay, ganito, core team. Core team, balik kayo sa junction. R1, R2 on farthest. Core teams 1 and 2 on Red Panda Junction. Retake, follow up. Base team, punta kayong nearest. Base team on nearest. Retakes 3 to 6 junction ng Panda, yes. Core team also. Focus tayo. R1, R2 sa farthest. Ba't thinking ko? Saan kayo napupunta? Okay. Guys, retake. Start pushing. MVP just hold sa taas except for Rap. He's more effective sa baba. Below. Retake, start pushing. Retakes 3 to 6, start pushing. MVP is about to spawn soon. Back sa gitna. Everyone back in the middle. Middle. North platform. Nandito yung Red Panda nag-summon. Middle platform. Everyone, platform. Pa-clear yung Red Panda, please. Nice one, Tara. We just need one last. Clear muna. Okay. Core team, kamusta sa junction nila? Doable?
Medyo madami.
Okay. Adjust kayo paakyat sa side natin. Clear mo na yung platform. Yes, guys. Do expel. Egol sa respawn. Respawn? Merong Red Panda sa respawn natin? Wala na. Sa spawn sa baba. Okay. R1, R2, kamusta kayo? Doable? Nakuha yung mid. Ba't may tao sa mid? Gugulo nyo. Base team, balik sa junction natin. Base team in our junction, please. Base team on our junction. Mid platform. MVP yung tinatawag ko. MVP. 30 seconds. Kinukuha ulit ng Red Panda. Base team, go to nearest. Let's go. Base team, go to nearest. Vision up soon, guys. Last MVP. Core team sa middle now. Core team sa middle. MVP secure, ah. Pag nakuha nila yan, matatalo tayo. Secure MVP, guys. Nice. Okay. Nearest lahat. Everyone nearest. All nearest now. Ignore yung nasa junction natin. All nearest now. Request for summon lang. All nearest now. We're gonna do 2 summons. Get ready. All mid in 3, 2, 1. All mid now. Now. All mid. Yung salty, go farthest right away. Kinukuha. All mid muna. Mag-split tayo after. All mid, we're gonna split. Okay, this is what is gonna happen. We're going to split. Nakukuha na lang yung farthest. All sweet, go to nearest, ha? Go to nearest, all sweet. Nearest, nearest. Get ready, all sweet, go nearest. Salty, balik na kayo sa middle. Gumagalaw lahat. Uy! Ha?
Nice.
What?
Nakuha yung farthest.
Hindi na nga nakuha yung nearest?
Nauna ata, farthest.